Have you ever wondered how companies clearly communicate their quality expectations to suppliers? Let's take a closer look at one of the most essential tools in supplier development and compliance, the Supplier Quality Manual. The Supplier Quality Manual is an official document that explains and guides on the requirements and expectations a supplier must follow and fulfill. It does not override existing contracts, drawings, or product specifications. Instead, it complements them by summarizing key quality requirements. What is the goal of Acceptance Criteria document? To ensure alignment between customers and suppliers on quality, performance, and continuous improvement. Each manual begins with a header. It includes the title of the document, a document control number, the revision level, the release or effective date. This ensures traceability, version control, and alignment across all users. Next comes the table of contents, a quick reference map for the entire manual. It allows suppliers to jump directly to relevant sections like company introduction, including vision, mission, etc., manual introduction, including scope, purpose, responsibilities, etc. General requirements, like supplier's code of conduct, or quality and performance goals. Specific requirements, like source identification, supplier corrective action process, packaging requirements, and similar, references and appendixes. Clear navigation helps prevent misunderstandings and saves valuable time. Each key topic is organized into a section or paragraph. For example, paragraph 4.2.1 describes packaging requirements, which might include standards for protective packaging, labeling instructions, shipping damage prevention methods. Each section addresses a specific aspect of supplier performance, with clear headings and references. The requirement description provides insight into what is expected, and guides the supplier on how to proceed. A best practice is to explain each requirement step by step and include graphics, flowcharts, or examples to enhance clarity. For instance, take this requirement. 4.1.2 paragraph describes supplier corrective action process. This section outlines the process suppliers must follow to address major nonconformities. Using the SCA report, suppliers are expected to provide short-term containment actions, root cause analysis, corrective actions to prevent recurrence, and validation of the solution. By structuring it this way, with step-by-step logic and defined outputs, the manual not only sets a standard but also becomes a usable guide for supplier teams. The appendixes offer supporting material, for example forms, SCA reports, PPAP checklists, reference documents or standards, definitions of terms and acronyms, submission expectations by part type or risk level. They provide context and tools, all in one place. So, why is a supplier quality manual so powerful? It aligns expectations, reduces misinterpretation, speeds up issue resolution, strengthens collaboration, boosts audit, launch readiness, and supports long-term quality and delivery. Whether you're managing a new supplier or scaling global sourcing, the Supplier Quality Manual is your foundation for sustainable quality. Thanks for watching. If you want more content on quality systems, tools, and best practices, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.